Hello guys, welcome back to Sun Crypto. In today's content, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, we're going to talk about Ethereum also, and we're going to take a look at some of the alt looking to break out over the next like 24 to 48 hours. So, if you're new to our content, you know exactly what to do. Don't forget to hit the likes. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Okay, if you already subscribed, make sure to hit the notification so you can get all my notification. Okay, my short video updates and all of that good stuff. Okay, so let's take a look at the chat room. We got a OK in the house and Sun Crypto and Stream Element in the house. So let's go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin, right? Really quickly. So link of the Discord public group in the description. Also the premium group for the Discord channel in the group. Okay, if you're looking to join some premium group for my setups, short-term setup, long-term setup, medium-term setups, and all of that good stuff. If you've basically been panicking over the next like a few weeks when BTC dropped from like 50, 55, 57 all the way down to 43, and you've been selling all your BTC and looking to buy again above like a 50k, that's really bad. So if you want to join the premium group so you can stay calm, buy the dips, and basically look for some juicy targets to the upside, both for Ethereum, Litecoin, you name it. Okay, all of those good stuff, guys. We've been killing it. Okay, so now let's dive into BTC and what we talked about like last week. Okay, on the second, it is quite amazing, guys. We basically nailed it beautifully. Okay, what we said regarding BTC right here. Okay, what we said last time when BTC was right here. Okay, we said it's gonna drop right down to like 47 and 46 is gonna pump to our target up to 52, and it is gonna retrace right back down to like a 47, 46 again right here, just about the 6 hour 6 hour 100 EMA and 6 hour 21 EMA. So this range, that's what we said we needed to be cautious right here. Okay, because once we hit like the range right there, we're going to basically try to determine what type of price action we're going to get, because it is going to be give or take. Okay, it's going to be 50-50 roughly. Okay, but the main thing is like being able to take the long from like a 43 and get out of 52 and basically wait for price action to give you a direction. Most traders, including myself, I used to be that way. Like I don't wait for direction. When price is green, I just jump in. It doesn't work that way. Okay, for instance, okay, before I talk about the directional move, if you've been FOMOing on this 6 hour candle, right, most experienced traders, they're going to be selling right here. Okay, they're not going to follow the 6 hour bullish candle right here. But a new trader, right, doesn't understand anything about like a fake out or like a correction, gonna be buying the top right here at 52, because they're gonna be like, oh, BTC broke 52, oh, now we're going back up to 57 and all of that good stuff. Okay, but if you understand what's going on and you've been watching the market long enough and basically been anticipating these type of corrections, you're not going to be buying at 52. You're going to be selling at 52. I know it is not easy to sell at 52, but if you took a long position right here, guys, 43 to 44 area, took some right here, 49, 50, 50k, and basically even buy the dip right here, 47, and spending a 52k area, you gotta take it. You gotta take it, let the market do the work. So I gave you guys an update like a few days back, right? So now what we're getting is like we're getting the drop right here. We got the double top. It's not a double top, it's an ugly correction, but you could look at it as a potential flat correction. It is working beautifully on Ethereum. We're going to take a look at it Ethereum, because we talked about Ethereum on my previous update, right? What we said, Ethereum going to be gonna get a potential support at 1470 down to 1440. That's exactly what we did, right? But BTC, it is lagging behind right now. As of now, we just could be cautious, right, and look at it as a three-way move. Okay, even though I'm like 70% bullish with this pattern, right, we just have to be cautious. Even though like it is bullish, I'm not like 100% like bullish on it. Okay, I like the volume right here, low volume, selling volume, right, price decreasing. I like that. Okay, but one thing we just have to be cautious again is like it can still double bottom right here, before giving you this move to the upside. So if you basically, you know, if you're extremely bullish, you gotta be able to suck it up just in case it retraces down to 46, 48 again for a fake out, for a potential fake out. Okay, but once again, the directional move for BTC is up, regardless of what type of correction. These correction are just for the you know, short-term traders and all of that good stuff. But if you're you know, if you're hodling, right, you don't care. Okay, you don't care if we drop down to like 47 or we pump back up to like a 52 area. The directional move for the macro bull market, it is next target is up to like a 75 to 85. You see what I'm saying? So if you're an investor and you don't care about like a, you know, two-day time frame or like a, you know, 24-hour time frame, whatever, 6-hour time frame, you just suck it up and hold on to your position, not financial advice, and wait for the big move to the upside. That's a safer thing. Okay, but for the moon boys leveraging, and for the moon boys like short-term trading, they just have to be cautious in this range. Okay, my bias, once again, just like I said, for Ethereum, I'm bullish. Okay, I'm bullish and I'm looking for the move right here. Okay, so that's the next level we're going to be looking for, right there, 54. Okay, 54 to 55 area. That's going to be our next resistance, potential resistance over the next like a few days and so on, right? So let me take a look at the chat room again. Hey, what's up, JB? Oh yeah, I mean, it is always fun to do, like, I mean, sometimes I do live stream when market is down, just to make sure my subscribers know what's going on, right? I don't have to do a live stream. I can't do private live stream, right? Just update my premium people, right? But I'm just doing this live stream to be loyal to my people. I could be, you know, I could be like, I don't care if they get wrecked, stuff like that. But I do this live stream to basically update you guys and basically let you know what's going on. Okay, we've been pretty accurate, like since like the drop from 58, guys. We've been pretty accurate. We've been hitting everything. Okay, support at 43, resistance you know, 52, support at 46, 47. Right now we're looking for 54 and then 57 area. We've been pretty accurate, guys. Even, you know, when BTC was dropping like on Valentine's Day, right there for February 14th, we were still bullish. We were looking for like a 59 to 61. We did not quite hit 59, but however, guys, we hit like a 58.5, something like that, depending which exchange you're using. So we've been pretty good over the last like a 6 months. Been nailing it up and down, guys. It doesn't matter which way it goes. We've been nailing it. Okay, some suckers are still bearish, like since like a you know, 20k area. We've been bullish since like, you know, 11k. Okay, and we've been pretty accurate. Okay, it doesn't mean we won't be wrong over the next, you know, before the bull market end. We're gonna be wrong at some point. Okay, we're gonna be expecting market to keep pumping, and market gonna be like, oops, that's it, no more pumps. It's time for some doom analysis, and we're gonna be ready for those. Okay, we're not saying like market gonna pump forever and we're gonna go to the moon forever, $1 million and all of that good stuff. We're not calling for those numbers yet. Okay, we're just going with the direction as of now. Enter Milan, Canada. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Hank, thanks a lot for tuning in, man. Jude Moonboy in the house, thanks a lot for tuning in. G's Mo in the house, 99 cents in the house. Oh, Imran is going to the moon. More Pie is going to the moon also. Yeah, man, market is great, man. Let's enjoy this. Ethereum up 15%. Okay, that's pretty juicy. Okay, Ethereum is up 15%. Now let's take a look at Bitcoin on the high time frame, right? The two-day time frame and all of that good stuff. So one thing I also showed you guys, I told you something very, very incredible. Whenever you see like your moving averages, okay, it doesn't matter, guys, which time frame you're looking at. Whenever you see this pattern, guys, it is a unique pattern, guys, right here. Okay, you're likely to see some volatility to the upside. Okay, you're likely to see some that's why I did not try to short this sucker. You know, even when we pumped like a 52, I did not try to short, even though I was expecting a retracement. I did not try to short the this sucker, because it could basically do some crazy stuff, right? So right here also we got similar structure, right? Not sure if you guys remember. Hopefully you guys remember. Okay, it wasn't like even that long ago. It was like you know, back in late January, right? We said we're gonna be pumping to the upside. Remember, market was looking for some lower prices, right? And Sun Crypto was saying, "Oops, nope, we're going to the moon." So just be cautious. We got like different type of traders. Some traders, when market is going up, they're gonna call higher prices. When market is going down, they're gonna call lower prices. You just have to be cautious. It doesn't work that way all the time. Okay, it doesn't. Sometimes when market is going down, you got to be able to anticipate the reversal, not just saying we're gonna keep dropping, keep dropping, keep dropping. You see what I'm saying? That's why I do not call like a big targets, like you know, 100K or like 120K, because we might not even get there. You see, so you get some intermediate targets. Once you hit your intermediate targets, you basically readjust, reaccumulate, and look for a potential move to the upside if market gonna give you the opportunity, right? So let's just keep that in mind. Now let's take a look at the good stuff, right? Which is like today 21 EMA. So we did not get the chance to retest our today 21 EMA right here. So that's kind of let's see. Okay, let's see if like we're gonna be able to retest it, if bull is gonna be able to dump, you know, pump the price and avoid another retest of it. If we retest it, guys, it is still going to be bullish if BTC drop down to 46. So if you think like you missed a boat, right, the 6 hour is not calling for a retest of 42, 44, right? However, anything can happen, right? Like I said, I'm only like 70% bullish on the lower degree, right, on the 6 hour. So if it fails, right, we could dump down and retest the low 40s, even mid 40s, okay, even 45, because the 21 EMA right now, it is at 45,377. You see what I'm saying? So it can basically bounce off the 21 EMA again and then bounce right back up, okay, and pump right back up, right? That's possible, okay? So be open-minded for a potential checkout. I'm not saying we will get it, but just be open-minded just in case we get a, you know, some sort of a checkout just to retest the 21 EMA. If not, we can even like retest the 3-day 21 EMA. Sucker is at 42. So, but I don't think it's going to be within the next 24 hours, right? But nobody knows, right? So, hey, what's up? ABNB in the house. SRM going to the moon. That's what it is saying. D-Tech in the house. What's up, D-Tech? Ain't no room for bears in here. The only way Bitcoin is going is up, says Imran. So let's see. Imran is a moon boy saying no room for the bears. So if you're a bear, you're most likely going to get wrecked. I didn't say it. Imran is saying it. So I'm just translating. You know, what is he saying in the most easiest form, right? So basically 2-day time frame or 3-day time frame, pretty bullish. I like the low sell volume right here. So that's a good news. Okay, that's a good news. We got a, you know, low sell volume last 3-day time frame, 2-day time frame. We got a low sell volume. So that's pretty impressive from the bulls, right? But guys, do not get caught up with the current pump. We're still correcting. so remember that, okay? Market, it is still correcting, so nothing is confirmed yet. It is still a correction, okay? Still a correction. So don't feel like you missed the boat, because sucker can still go all the way up, okay? We got a target. Once again, we can still go up to like a 57 and drop right back down here. Right, so be mindful. I wouldn't be FOMOing right here. Once again, I'm not selling any BTCs. Even if we drop like from 57 to 42 or 45 again, I'm okay with it. Okay, you know, I know exactly what to do, because I'm going to be going long right here again if that's the case. If we get a clean breakout to the upside, I'm just going to take a long again. Okay, but immediate targets, okay, 54 and 57 has to hold for us to be able to look for high prices, right? So correction, correction. No time for FOMO, no time for all of that good stuff. Okay, market is just moving sideways within the same range. Okay, we haven't seen any new prices yet above like a 57, so no need to FOMO, right? Send My Ninja says John Doe crypto in the house. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum. So before we take a look at Ethereum, let's take a look at the weekly time frame. So weekly time frame, it looks good right now. I like it, right? If like we can keep up the momentum and doesn't close red and do not close below like 45 within the next 24 hours, that's going to be, it is going to be impressive. Okay, it means like bulls gonna get a, you know, a nice chance to pump like next week before next Sunday and retest the weekly close right here at 57. You see what I'm saying? So it is going to be, it is not going to be a short-term trade. It could be like a weekly trade. Okay, just to go up to 57 might be a very, very tough time for the bulls, right? Once again, we do not care about how tough it is going to be or how soft it is going to be. We just care about the direction. We don't care about how long it's going to take. Okay, we just saying like the chance, not the chance, but the way up to 57 is not going to be easy. So be cautious and be ready for those shakeouts and all of that good stuff, right? In order to get to a 57, right? That's going to be very, very crucial. Hey guys, hit the likes. We got 6 for watching. It is Saturday night, right? Saturday night live. Get the popcorn ready. Get the popcorn ready, and let's go to the moon, guys. We're going to the moon with some popcorn, so let's go. Let's go, guys. If you're a moon boy, hit the likes, okay? If you're looking for 20k BTC, let me know in the comment section. Let me know in you know, chat room, right? All right, so I like the chart, guys. The chart is pretty easy to you know, to analyze. Nothing crazy. If you take a look at the weekly time frame, nothing crazy is going on. It's just like up, 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 up. Okay, correction, up, 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 correction. That's it. Nothing crazy. You don't need like, you know, too many indicators. You don't need too many moving averages. You don't need too many you know, you don't need like RSI all the time, Bollinger Band and all of that good stuff. It is easy to interpret. Okay, you know, up, down, up, down, up, down, but the direction is up. Pretty easy, guys. That's the easiest chart you can find right now, okay, in the market. Bitcoin chart, right? Pretty easy. So if you sold your Bitcoin, you know, at 43, 44, now you're gonna be FOMOing. And I try to warn you guys. I try to warn you. Sucker is still bullish. Just give it like a few more days to come from the bearishness. But we do not. I don't see a bearishness yet, right? But if I see it, I will warn you guys. I will tell you. So let's go ahead and take a look at. So we're gonna take a look at Ether BTC first, right? Ether BTC. So Ether BTC. So Ether BTC, what we said last time, okay? What we said was like Ether BTC was at 0.618, guys. Remember, right? Remember, guys. Remember, guys. Remember, guys. What we said right here. Ether BTC is at 0.618. So we're gonna be looking for a potential like a small reversal, and if that's the case, Ether USD going to be breaking out. So if you did not know what was going on, like over the last few days, you're gonna be surprised. You're gonna be like, oh, Ether is pumping, but Bitcoin is not pumping. The reason why Ether is pumping, because Ether BTC is at 0.618. Okay, is at 0.618, and I showed you beautifully. Okay, a couple of days ago when Ether was right here at 0.618, we said, you know, keep in mind, you know, keep an eye on Ether BTC, because if like we reverse, right, Ether USD is likely to reverse. You see what I'm saying? So so let's see. It is a nice reversal, but we need to break above like a 0.035 and see if we can break above the 12-hour 100 EMA. That's where we're getting rejected right now. Okay, rejected at right now. Your 12-hour 100 EMA is your daily 50 EMA, right? So we're getting rejected from the daily 50 EMA. Let's check it so you guys can see it. daily. It's supposed to be daily 50. It got some weird. Okay, that's the daily 50. Okay, so the daily 50 is basically the green line. That's where we're getting rejected at, right? So the red line, it is also, you know, your daily 100 EMA. So basically you got your 100 EMA and your 50 EMA relatively at the same price level. Okay, that's what it is showing right here, the green line, the green line. So give it like a few more days. Once again, to confirm the reversal, sucker can still drop right back down to a 0.03 just to consolidate. And if that's the case, it only means like potentially BTC could be pumping and Ethereum gonna be dropping, or Ethereum gonna be staying sideways in dollar. You see what I'm saying? If we get rejected somewhere around here and get the double bottom right here, it only means like BTC gonna be pumping later on and Ethereum gonna stay constant in dollar. All right, so that's all it means, right? But I'm bullish on Ether. Either way you look at it, I'm bullish on Ether. So now let's take a look at Ether USD. So if you take a look at Ether USD, what we said last time was like, we said Ether USD, we need a 4-hour close above the 21 EMA, right? What we said, guys, this pattern is one of my most successful pattern. I can anticipate it like 3-4 days ahead, right? So that's what I told you like last time, like, you know, Ether right here, right, 1470, right, and then right here, right, we're gonna be looking for a potential reversal, and we're gonna be looking for up to basically 1780, guys. You know, 1780 right here, 1770, 1780. If you go back and watch my live stream, you can definitely get all the information, okay, regarding what we were looking for regarding it. All right, so pretty bullish pattern. So now let's take a look at support area, because Ether can still drop right back down and retest our 21 EMA. So just keep that in mind if you're looking for to FOMO. Be cautious, because excuse me. So if you're looking to FOMO, keep an eye on your 6-hour 21 EMA, which is at 1564 right now, and the 100 EMA it is at 1599, right? So just in case, like within the next 6 hour to 12 hour, we get a dip right here before we hit like the 1780 range, right there, 1780, right? So we already hit the 1680, so we're looking for the 1780 now. Yeah, so Ether looks pretty pretty healthy, okay, looking pretty juicy, right? Looking pretty juicy. So now let's go ahead and take a look at one of our setup in our premium. Our last two setups in our premium, one of them was basically ADA. So we've been anticipating ADA to drop when ADA was like 120, 123, 124. We said we're gonna be looking for a buy range 95 to 105, and we're gonna take it to the upside again in this green box, you know, 120 to 123. it hit like 119.7. Okay, it can still pump right back up to like a 123 over the next like a few days and so on, right? But we already closed the position because we pretty much were very close to the exit position, right? Exit range at 120. So let's see if the bull's gonna get the double bottom right here and retest the 123. That's the move I'm looking for right now. But if we retest the 123, sucker can basically retest the trend line right here at 114 to 113 range again. So if you're trading ADA, just keep that in mind. Sucker can still drop right back down to the low dollars, okay? 105 to $1 range again, which is like 6 hour 100 EMA again, okay? But the trade is already closed. I just wanted to show you guys the type of trade we do take in our premium. So another trade we just took like yesterday, right? OMG. So OMG, take a look at OMG. We did have a nice setup right here before the breakout. We said we're gonna take it to the moon, right? So entry just about like a 4.3 to 4.6. So if you even enter like at 4.6, you're still good. Sucker is still pretty juicy. We're most likely going to hit our target 5.3 up to 5.5. Okay, it is likely to consolidate at 5.3, 5.5. So I don't think it is going to be a rejection, like a one-way rejection. It can even like pump high afterward. But what I was looking for, I was just looking for the move right here. I was looking for like a 20% breakout. That's it. That's all I need. I don't need a a moonshot, right? So that's the type of setup you get with Send crypto. Okay, so just this week, guys, we nailed BTC, we nailed Ethereum, right? Both of them 20% breakout. ADA 15 to 20% breakout. OMG, we're looking for another 20% breakout. You take a look at dot from like a 28 27 range all the way up to 38. So that's over like a 20% breakout while market is moving sideways. So if you don't understand correction, you're gonna be FOMOing whenever these suckers like pump 20 to 30% breakout. You're gonna be FOMOing, but you gotta be able to buy the dip, guys, so you won't FOMO. If you buy the dip, take those 20 to 30% breakout, understand like market is just moving sideways. You're just going to take profits and wait for market to retrace down for the next leg up and all of that good stuff. All right. Even like a Litecoin, we bought the dip at 150 to 165, took it all the way up to 190 and so on, and it is still bullish. Okay, Litecoin, we do have a target up to like a $288 to $300 range, even higher, but short-term target right up to $300, right? So now let's go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin Cash. So Bitcoin Cash, it is kind of moving slow. I haven't taken any trade yet from Bitcoin Cash. So Bitcoin Cash going to break out. The next setup I'm going to be looking for Bitcoin Cash, it is going to be a target up to basically right here 630 625 range, right? That's the target I'm going to be looking for, but I don't have a confirmation yet, so I will be monitoring it over the next like a few days and so on. It does, just because I have a target up to basically 625 doesn't mean the direction going to be right away up to 635. Sucker can still retrace right down to like a 430, or even retest like a 480, 470 before going back up to 625. So I'm going to take a look at it over the next like a few days and so on, or even few hours if like I get a confirmation of a strong potential reversal. I'm going to be looking for a potential move back up to 625, 630 range, right? So triangular formation, definitely it is just a correction. That's what I've been trying to tell you guys. Market is just correcting. If you want to trade the market, let's say I want to trade the market like by candles, like 6 hour candle, every 6 hour candle, it's gonna drive you crazy, because you're gonna be seeing like some bullish, beautiful bullish 6 hour candle, okay, breakout above 6 hour 21 EMA. Yes, that's pretty bullish. MACD already crossed bullish. But if you don't understand, guys, market is just correcting. It's not moving in a trend. You got your rejection right here, 6 hour 100 EMA, right? So you're gonna be buying the top. Okay, you're gonna be, but I was not, I saw it, okay, but I was not interested because I did not like the you know, the 6 hour 100 EMA, as it was a support right here. So I was like, okay, it is likely to be a rejection, a resistance right there, and going to be rejecting the price, you know, going to be rejecting price right here. So that's exactly what happened. So now we're struggling to pump above the 200 EMA. So let's see how we're going to be able to break a 533, 528 range over the next like a few hours. Okay, if that's the case, we can definitely try to take it to a 630, right? Which is going to be a beautiful move. Even if you wait after the breakout above like a 534, you can still get a nice 18%, okay, to a, you know, 20% move, depending on your entry. Okay, but if you want to FOMO now, kind of dangerous, right? You know, you could look for 23, but I wouldn't FOMO right now, because I can still get it cheaper. Okay, potentially right here, right? And that's my money anyway, so I don't have to rush, okay, trying to give it to the market, right? Just think about it that way, okay? Whenever you get a trade set up and it is not that, you know, it is not that bullish, right? Just think about it. That's your money. You don't have to, you know, you don't have to be in a rush. You can just look for something else and say there's always another trade waiting to be taken, right? So I don't have to get wrecked if I don't want to get wrecked. That's it. Hey, what's up, Brad in the house, Joshua in the house. USDT BTC. Oh my gosh, USDT BTC. Let's take a look at USDT BTC. No, let's take a look at XLM first. XLM BTC. So XLM, it is still moving sideways. Let's do this. So I like the setup. Okay, I like the consolidation right here. I like the consolidation right there. Okay, so let's see what we're gonna get over the next like a few days and so on. I'm bullish on XLM, guys. I think like XLM gonna hit $1 very soon, so it is just a matter of time. We got a big correction right here. So, but the chart is just slightly choppy. So let's just wait for the next like a few days to get a better chart, right? So what else? Let's see, XLM. We just talked about XLM. Let's take a look at XLM USD. Oh gosh. Bell BTC, my bella mi amore. I call Bell BTC is my bella mi amore. So Bella, we're gonna take a look at Bella very soon. So I like the XLM USD, right? Really, okay. If you notice, well, that's the same setup we got back then. Remember when sucker pumped like 100%, right, guys? Right here, what happened right there? That's the same setup, okay? That's the same exact setup, and I call this setup. I told you guys both public and both public group, right? And my premium group also, right, before the pump. Okay, remember XLM, I was shorting it in our premium right here, like 15 cents, all the way down to 12 cents. And 12 cents, we said, guys, let's load up. And one of the reasons why we basically took the long, also, if you take a look at it on a daily basis, we were getting a nice support on the right here, nice support right there. So like there. Daily 100 EMA, okay, right there, okay, which is the same as your daily 50 EMA, right? So right here, daily 100 EMA right there, okay, we were getting a nice support from the daily 100 EMA. So nice double bottom, so we just took it, okay. That was like early January before the big pump, right? Bang. Okay, we pump it all the way up to basically 40 cents. I wasn't expecting 40 cents. However, you know, after we got the big pump to like 18, 19 was target, and I was like, guys, let's just hold this sucker, because it seems like, you know, XLM BTC, it is still bullish. So we took it all the way up to 40 cents, guys. So So let's see what we're gonna get over the next like a few days. Once again, XLM BTC is very choppy, but XLM USD could get the job done. So we're gonna be looking for 58, right? I was looking for 58 from like a 50 cents, but it dropped all the way down below the 2-day 100 EMA. But it is still a hold, right? It is still a hold. It is just, you know, it is just a delay. That's it. That's all it is, right? And then we're gonna be looking for 85 cents later on. So sucker is still a hold. I mean, VET, man, VET, it is still a hold, man. I can give you an answer for that. I'm bullish on VET, okay? VET BTC has not even started moving yet. So let's take a look at USDT BTC. Somebody asking a newbie question. Let's see. USDT BTC. We should be very bullish on it, right? So, I wasn't expecting a I wasn't expecting a chart, a USDT BTC chart to look like this, right? Something wrong with this chart. Is something wrong with this chart? You guys tell me. No, nothing wrong with the chart. I need a yeah. I will go back and take a look at it again. Okay, Joshua. Bitcoin SB is more suppressed. Okay, let's go and take a look at Algo. So I mean, Algo macro structure, I'm still bullish. Not sure if like we're gonna get a potential easy ride above like $1.70. But if we do, no more resistance up to like $6. So that's my personal target. Okay, so you don't have to wait for $6, right? But if we break above this $1.70, $1.80 range, it is likely to see higher prices. Okay, I don't know why I'm doing the 5-day chart, but the 2-day 21 EMA is supporting price as of now, right? So definitely would be looking for resistance at 170, 160 range. Sats $4. Haha, you just messed it up. Messed up what? Oh, Tether losing value. Okay. VLX. I mean, I don't know. Lisk have been around for a while, so I don't know. It's hard to say. Like, I can't tell you like which alt is legit, because once again, most of these suckers, they just pump and dump, right? So you just have to be very cautious. I cannot say like, I can't even say like if I don't want to say it, Bitcoin is legit, but but it just I just trade the market, right? Oh, Joshua, okay. Okay, you're okay, Will Brown. So let's go back to the chart. I think somebody asked about Bell BTC, my bella mia more. So Bella mia more. I love Bella. I told you guys I love Bella, man. When I was saying it, I knew sucker can drop right back down. So if you're not patient enough, you're not going to see the reversal. Okay. So, and I told you something very very incredible. I don't know if the setup I showed you before for SXP, right? I was talking about Bella, and I showed you the setup for SXP when I think back in November, right? SXP gave us the big move to the upside, and then gave us a wedge pattern and dropped right down at 360 before pumping all the way up to $20. So we could see something similar, right? From Bella, if we can break above like right there about like a 7,000 sats. Okay, so sucker looks nice. Okay, I like the correction. I've seen it before from Algo last year, back in I think it was like July, right? I've seen it from Algo, and I've seen it from Loom, right? And I've seen it from Waves, and all of them. Okay, Qtum. Sometimes before they break out, they tend to give you like a nasty correction like this. So if you panic, you're gonna be selling the halfway through. 0.618 must be right here, and then you're gonna be looking for lower prices. Sucker gonna say goodbye, just like Engine. Okay, if you notice notice the Engine BTC breakout. We talked about it when last one of our previous live stream, and I was like, look for Engine to pump all the way up. Okay, told you guys, told you right here. That's exactly what we said. Engine was right there, just about like 1300 sats, right? 1400 sats. We said this sucker can pump all the way up to 3000. Okay, we're not yet at 3000. We just hit 50% pullback at 2900. Okay, I mean, we actually hit 3000, but 0.618 was like 3700. And guys, That was live analysis. Okay, live analysis. That's what I gave you. And if you notice well, the structure right here, that's the same exact structure we got right here. It is just in a bigger time frame, but this one is more aggressive. So if you go back to Bell BTC, I just got like my favorite setups. If I see them, I'm very confident, right? So right here, so it's the same setup. Okay, it is nearly the same setup. So we could be looking for a big move to the upside, up to like a 13,000. Okay, and if we break it, we're gonna basically take a look at the next move to the upside. So I think like alt second wave, just like the COVID second wave, alt second wave is about to get started, guys. It is about to get started. Very excited. It could be a very exciting. We could see some very exciting pump over the next like a few weeks. So be ready, buckle up, okay? Get the popcorn, get the juice, and let's suck it up and take it to the moon. No need to do anything crazy, guys. No need to sell the bottom trying to buy the top. If you sell right now trying to basically outperform the market gonna tell you goodbye. It's gonna tell you goodbye, man. It's gonna tell you goodbye. Hey guys, I got a potential breakout setup for this sucker, Ethereum Classic. I don't trade it a lot, but most of the time I'm very successful with it. My previous setup I was successful with it too. So I'm looking for a breakout right here, right? I'm looking for a breakout up to 13.5, okay, to 14.1. Did not quite retest the 21 EMA. So if bulls want to be cautious, they can just wait for the retest of the 21 EMA, okay, because it is at resistance right now, and we could be looking for a potential. I mean, it is a 20% move anyway from current level. So, and I'm only looking for, you know, 17 to 20%, right? So that's a good entry. If it drops lower, it is still going to be a buy. The lowest it could drop is like probably just to retest the trend line right here. So it is very aggressive. If a bull is leveraging, you just have to suck it up and be patient, be cautious. Basically, that's what I try to say. Be patient, be cautious, because if you do it like high leverage, like those 100x nonsense, you're gonna get wrecked. Okay, I wouldn't do it anything higher than 3. Okay, because it is a 20% move anyway. So I think like even 2x is good. Take a 40% gain and go to the moon, right? That's it. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at XTZ. So XTZ, you guys know I'm so bullish on XTZ. I don't even want to talk about it anymore. If I talk about it, people are gonna think like I'm pumping it, but guys, I'm not pumping XTZ. You know I was bullish on XTZ long time ago, right? So, and it is still giving me time to buy the dip. Let's take a look at this sucker. So XTZ, you take a look at it right here. That's the same exact setup I just showed you on what? On basically engine, right? Same exact setup. Okay. Same exact setup. Let's take a look at 2-day time frame. This sucker, let's do this. So to subscribe, right? So you guys doing a good job, right? 68 watching, 38 likes. And let me just remind you, okay, a friendly reminder, okay, do that, okay, and also do this, right? Just a friendly reminder, right? Oh. So guys, excuse me, I didn't know what happened. A sucker just basically stop pumping. I mean, yeah, stop pumping. Yeah, stop streaming. Corsair. So let's take a look at what Corsair is saying. Okay, Corsair, COSA, ask you a question in the chat room, so I can basically answer it. Ask your question in the live stream. All right. So basically, what is he saying is like, for instance, let's say I'm trading a VET VChain, right? Let's go ahead and take a look at VChain. I don't know why the streaming stopped. I didn't even notice it. I was talking about some good stuff, but Sucker just did not record it. So let's check VET, okay? So for instance, right now, VET BTC, it is 1%, like let's say 3% up, okay, 275% up, right? But VET USD is up like 3%, right? So basically what is he saying is, if I sell my VET into USD, am I gonna get more VET? Or if I sell my VET into BTC, am I gonna get more VET? Do you see what I'm saying? It doesn't matter which one you sell it into. It does not matter, okay? Because why it doesn't matter is like, for instance, BTC is not constant. You see what I'm saying? So if VET is up versus BTC 3.5%, right? So if you sell your VET into BTC, you're gonna get 3.5% more BTC. You're not getting 3.5% more VET. Do you see what I'm saying? So for instance, you bought VET at $1, okay? I mean, let's go to BTC, VET BTC. You bought VET at 100 sats, right? And now VET is at 110 sats, right? So if you put one BTC into VET and VET, if you put one BTC into VET at 100 sats and now VET is at 110, now you're gonna get 10% more BTC if you sell your VET into BTC. Do you see what I'm saying? So that's what you need to keep that in mind. So you're gonna get more BTC, you're not getting more VET. You see, when you're selling out, you're not getting more. Okay, what you're getting is what you get. You're only getting more when you're buying. You see what I'm saying? Which is basically the same. You're gonna be buying BTC, you're gonna get more BTC, right? So you just have to basically pick a. It doesn't matter. Once again, it doesn't matter which pair you're gonna be picking, whether you're trading VET BTC or VET USD. You only need to make sure you get your exit point, whichever pair you want to use. Okay. But when you're buying VET, that's what you need to be careful about, right? That's what you need to be careful, because you want to be buying VET versus BTC, right? Or if you want to be buying VET versus BTC, or you want to be buying VET versus the dollar. That's when you need to be careful, right? Because you can still buy VET. Like for instance, VET is at 110 sats, right? And you got USD. The price of VET on USD going to be just about like 5 cents, give or take, right? So the 100 sats can still be 100 sats for like the next week, for the next few days. But VET USD might be going up, but VET BTC might be constant. Do you see what I'm saying? Right. So you got to keep that in mind. For instance, if you take a look at VET BTC over the last few days, okay, over the last few weeks, VET BTC has been constant. It's just been moving sideways, right? Okay, you can see like the range is just about like, give or take, okay, 60 sats to like 100 sats. So I know it is a big percentage, but it is just sideways, right? But if you take a look at VET USD, it hasn't been moving sideways. It's been going up. You can see, right? It's been going up. The range is not sideways. It's not sideways. Okay. So you gotta be very cautious, right? Once again. So the range is up. Okay, it's up. While the range versus BTC is sideways. Okay. Yeah, you're welcome, Will Brown. Majid in the house. So you did not get the Tezos XTZ. So XTZ BTC, what I was saying is Saka is still bullish. Just gotta give it some time to break above the 2-day 21 EMA and 3-day 21 EMA. That's it. But it is bullish. Okay, it can still drop right back down to like a 6,000 down to 6,500 to 6,000 area. It is still going to be accumulative, so we just have to be very patient. That's all it is, man. Just have to be patient in this range, and then we're gonna take it to the moon after that. Yes, I'm back, Will Brown. I don't know what happened. I tried to give you guys warning, and the streaming said nope, you can't give anybody no warning. I'm just gonna stop the streaming. So that's what I did last time, okay? And Sucker just stopped. All right, HD. So let's go ahead and take a look at BNB. BNB is moving sideways right now. So BNB, it is moving sideways. So still bullish. Price action above the 21 EMA. If we get any dump, just look for the 2-day 21 EMA. Currently just about like 190, right? 190. But the daily is holding very strong, right? So daily is holding very strong. So still bullish, okay? Still bullish. Neo. So Neo, our previous target for Neo was $50. So hit target beautifully. So we called the Neo setup when Neo was at 24.25, right? We called this setup all the way up to actually 31, and I was like, okay, since like we broke resistance right here, let's just suck it up. It is still bullish, so we upgraded the target up to $50. Okay, so it was still was a beautiful move. Okay, now it is just correcting. It is still bullish. It is just not in a breakout mode, right? A breakout mood, right? But it is still bullish. So give it time to correct in this range. Okay. Let's take a look at 6 hour. 6 hour could. Let's see. Yeah, 6 hour could break out, and resistance could be up to like a 46, 47 again, right there. Right here. Right. That's going to be the resistance right there. 46 to 47 range. We got the triangular formation, kind of ugly, but you got the concept. Okay. There you got the concept right here. Overlapped right there, it is okay. So resistance up to basically 47 range. It's not moon time. We just sent resistance is at 47, not time to moon yet. Still have to confirm it, right? So don't be a moon boy yet. Yeah, if like we can break the resistance right there, sucker can definitely get the job done, right? BTC dominance. So BTC dominance, you guys know I'm bullish on the BTC dominance, right? I'm bearish on the BTC dominance, I mean. So that's why I was trying to tell you guys. Remember last time we talked about the BTC dominance, right? What we said, the BTC dominance was right here. We said it's going to reverse back up, but that reversal, it might not be the reversal we're going to be looking for. You see what I'm saying? So that's why I don't check the BTC dominance every day. I just check alt BTC pairs. That's all I need. Okay. And if you really take a look at the BTC dominance, is bearish, guys. It is bearish. Okay. It is bearish. We got this move right here. This move is a three-way move right there. Right. So we can definitely get the breakout to the downside. And next support is right there, just about 57. Okay. A 3% drop, 3% dominance drop is a lot. Okay. Is a lot. Okay. So I'm bearish on the BTC dominance. That's all I need. I don't need to check the BTC dominance every day, because it's, I mean, let's say we just took like an ADA setup yesterday, right? From like a $1.05 to like a $1.19, right? If I was just basing my analysis on the BTC dominance, I wouldn't be taking ADA setup. I wouldn't be taking the ADA setup, right? But I was just watching ADA. That's all I needed. I don't need like the BTC dominance to tell me which alt. The BTC dominance doesn't tell you which alt you need to take. Okay, it just gives you like the general view, right? For instance, the BTC dominance was going up, right? But engine was pumping. Okay, engine was pumping. So how do you explain it? Right? How do you explain it? So you take a look at ADA was right here. We were calling for the drop right there. Okay, regardless of what the BTC dominance is gonna do, right? And then we were calling for the reversal. And you take a look at Omizago, right? We bullish on Omizago. Right, already nearly hit target. Not quite yet at 5.3, but we hit a 5.25 range. Okay, pretty close. It is likely to hit target, right? Could consolidate back down to like a 4.9, 4.97. All right, so I think like trading the BTC dominance on the higher time frame is better than try to day trade the BTC dominance every day. I don't. The only time I check the BTC dominance is like, if I check the BTC dominance more than twice a month, is like because you guys asking for. But every 2 weeks I can just check it, or if we hit like resistance or support, I can check it. So that's the next support level I'm going to be looking for a potential target, and let it move sideways for another week or so. And we're going to be looking for, because sucker move very slow. It moves like the dollar, so it doesn't move fast. So Ocean USDT. H bar. We just talked about H bar, right? Not too long ago. So Ocean, I'm bullish on Ocean. So that's a nice setup right here. I think we talked about Ocean last time, And what I was saying, like we above the 2-day 21 EMA, MACD has crossed already bullish, so sucker is still a hold, right? It is still a hold. Any drop might be just a fake out, right? Not a fake out, but a retest of the $1.25, $1.15. It is just going to be a retest of the previous resistance. So now let's take a look at Ocean BTC. Okay, Ocean BTC looks pretty juicy, right? So upside resistance is right here, right? Which is like nearly November high. So Ocean is lagging. It's not even anywhere around like August high. It's not even yet at November highs, right? So, and most alt started pumping like back in November, So this sucker is still lagging. So pretty beautiful, pretty bullish setup, right? Just breaking the 100 EMA on a 2-day basis. That's a red line you're seeing right there. Right there. So pretty juicy, right? So could go all the way up to a 4,000 range. So still a hold, right? So that's why I was saying, don't day trade these alt setups. Like anything higher than 50% target, you don't want to day trade it. You just want to suck it up and wait for a target, right? Because we talk about Ocean back in like January. That's when I said sucker gonna pump very hard, right? And if you notice, well, if you go back to Ocean, Ocean market cap, right? That's when I said it was like Ocean was, let's see, right here, okay, right there, late December, when Ocean was like 33 cents. That's when I said sucker gonna basically pump. Okay, that's when I said it, right? So right there, we were saying Ocean gonna pump because I was showing you the the bullish pattern right there. Okay, this is a very bullish pattern. This is a very bullish pattern. Okay, double top, double bottom. It has to pump. If you notice, well, let's go ahead and take a look at a CRV curved out. I don't know why this sucker is. The thing is, you cannot zoom it, okay? But before the breakout, it's not showing the market cap anymore. I mean, it's not showing like the proper. Not showing the proper setup. Yeah, I can't find the they changed the setting right now, so you can't find it. You can basically can't find the proper setup, but curved down, we talked about it before the breakout also, was pretty much similar to Ocean, right? Let's take a look at Band. I think Band do have a bullish setup on right here. Now they change it. It doesn't show you like the market cap anymore. Only show you the BTC pair and the USD pair. That sucks. Oh, now you have to do it like market cap differently. Oh, I see. Now market cap, you have to do it differently. You got a little tab right here. You have to click. Before, you used to get like all three of them at the same time. Now it gives you trading view. Whoa, nice. Nice. I didn't know that. Sucker. Nice. That's nice. I didn't know you could do that now. they must just implemented it. Yeah, that's nice. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So, but let's go to the real trading view. So, basically, going back to this sucker, it is very, very bullish, man. It is very, very bullish. Okay. So, hey, what's up, private account vet? Cause I mean, I already explained the vet. The vet. Maybe like just scroll back like 20 minutes, maybe something like that, right? And you can listen to it. Okay, you can watch it again. Fantastic. Thanks a lot, man. I like that name, Fantastic. AVX BTC. So AVX is a support. Right now we just have to hold strong above the 2-day 21. It dumped a lot. I was bullish right here, just about 66,000. It dumped all the way down to 50,000. This type of setup gonna happen sometime, right? So just have to suck it up. Don't have to do anything. Price action above the below the 2-day 21. So just have to wait and be patient. And if we drop all the way down to a 42,000, that's definitely going to be a buy. Okay, an add-on. If not, we got the 0.618 right here. Okay, so best thing to do right now on AVX BTC is like dollar cost average. Money UK in the house. How is BTC looking? BTC is very bullish. So guys, if you're looking to join some crypto premium, link in the description. You can definitely join the public Discord and send me a message, right? So you can get in more depth analysis, weekly update, private update, short-term targets, and all of that good stuff, right? Alright guys, I'm finna call it a night. It's already 1 hour and 30 minutes. So our Ethereum Classic is pumping as expected. So let's see if we can get a close above 6 hour 100 EMA. Right there, I think like 6 hour 100 EMA is more relevant right now than the 4 hour. I know Moon Boys and Doom Boy is gonna be watching the 4 hour 100, but I think the 6 hour is more relevant. So if we get a rejection, it could get a rejection and retest the 1 hour 100 EMA, right there, which is at 11.2, 11.3. You know, it might not be right now. It could take like 6-12 hours like to just get a U-turn. Sometimes you just have to be very patient. Sometimes like these suckers are bullish, but they're not gonna move like to the upside as expected. You see what I'm saying? Like they're not gonna move straight up. Okay, that's why sometimes when I see them like pumping, I don't do anything. I just wait, like, especially at night before I go to bed. I see something pumping, I know what to do exactly when I wake up. Okay, so I wouldn't be surprised also, right, to get this dump right here and then get the next pump like on Monday. But overall, I'm still bullish. Okay, LTC BTC. I mean, so LTC BTC. I mean, it is at the very bottom, double top, double bottom, three-way move. So let's see if like we're gonna get the reversal now. We got multiple touches right here, so it is in good hand really, being at the bottom right here. That's why I'm still bullish on Litecoin. All right, guys, I'm just gonna call it a night. So be safe out there. Don't forget to hit the likes. Let me know, guys, what you think down below in the comment section. If you're bullish on BTC, and what is your price target over the next like a few weeks? Do you think like BTC gonna break 57 in March, or we're gonna break 57 in April? So let me know in the comment section. So we can see how many moon boys we got, and what type of price action you're looking for Ethereum and all of that good stuff. All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching.